In this question, it is given that the domain of the function fx equal to this, where x belongs to R, is, you have to find the correct choice. It's clear that for the function to be defined, x plus 1 must be positive and x plus 1 is not equal to 1. X minus 2 should be greater than 0. X should be greater than 0 and denominator should be non-zero. The value of x which satisfies all these conditions, those values of x will form the domain of the function. First thing, x minus 2 should be greater than 0. X plus 1 should be greater than 0. But x plus 1 is not equal to 1. And from here, x should be greater than 0, because this can be written as e to power log of x square, that is, it will become x square. Therefore, the whole denominator should be non-zero. This implies that x should be greater than 2. This says x is greater than 0. This says x is greater than minus 1. And this says x is not equal to 0. And this means x square minus 2x minus 3 should be non-zero. That is, x is not equal to minus 1 and 3, because the roots of this are minus 1 and 3. And now, drawing all these inequalities on a number line, I get this says that x should be greater than 2. This says that x should be greater than 0. This says that x should be greater than minus 1. This says that x is not equal to 0. It is already not included in this portion. Hence, this is automatically satisfied. This says that x is not equal to minus 1 and 3. X not equal to minus 1 is already here. This says that x is not equal to 3. First, I combine all the three. Combining all the three, I get x is greater than 2. And second thing is x is not equal to 3. Therefore, x can be any number greater than 2 but not equal to 3. Hence, the correct choice is second.